99% audio, specializing in vintage Cerwin Vega crossover restoration and repair, keeping Vegas sounding like Vegas. Today, we have a pair of D9 crossovers sent in by a customer. Customer states he has crunchy pots and they just don't sound like they used to. Let's take a look. Dirty pot. Dirty pot. Really dirty pot. Rice Krispies. So, I will clean and lube this one, this one, this one. This one I will replace, and I will test them all to make sure that they're working properly. Then, I will completely disassemble the crossover. I will keep all the inductors, what potentiometers can be salvaged. I will remove all the caps. I will match up the values of all the inductors. I will also match caps. I will clean up the circuitry. I will replace the resistors. And they will be brand new.